All right, guys, I want to take a minute to do a walk through the shop, show you some of the things that we're currently working on and finishing up. While I'm over here, I'll go ahead and show you some of our tire equipment. We've got the Hunter Elite Road Force machine. We've also got the new HD Elite. This one is going to be a force match, similar to Road Force, slightly different, but it can handle a lot larger capacities. Got one of the Coates APX machines, which we don't use that one nearly as often anymore, as we've got the new Hunter Maverick over here. If you're not familiar with this machine, it's a center post design, has a lot of cool features. It can do a lot of really challenging combinations, 28s, 38s. I mean, there's really no tire limitation or wheel limitation that we've found yet. So it's a pretty nice piece of equipment. It's also leverless. You don't have to use any bars, and it's all push button, so it makes it a lot easier on the technicians. We've got this, which is a 2011 Denali, doing some repair work and changing the wheel and tires on it. We just finished up this 25 Denali here. This one got the Cognito Elite, as you can see in there. And being the Elite, you do have your adjustments over here on the side. With a 37 1350, that is made possible because we are running a factory 22-inch wheel. I don't like to run the 1350s with the 20-inch wheels, but with a 22, it moves the bulge up just enough to where it clears the control arm. You do still need a 3/8 wheel spacer to make that work. As you can see, this one is just about wrapped up and ready to go. You can see you just got enough clearance there. Great angles. Really awesome looking truck. On the alignment rack, I believe this one's a 24 or 25. I can't remember off the top of my head, but we got the 5-inch BDS. He supplied his own wheels and tires on this one. It's going to be the 37-inch Toyo Open Country and a 22-inch. I know I'm going to say this wrong, but it's a Fittipaldi. I know I'm saying that wrong. That's not a brand that we carry. So, but awesome looking truck nonetheless. Still in progress. Still got a couple things to button up on it. It's the BDS standard kit with the Fox 2.0 shocks. And just keeping the stock upper control arms, as they are optional on this kit. And they've got several different shock combinations that are optional as well. We did do the steering stabilizer. I know I'm going to get someone that says, oh, this bolt is loose. This bolt is loose. That's because we're still adjusting the ride height. And you don't tighten that bolt until it is set to ride height. We always get that for some reason. We just left that out. Quality control completely missed that one. No, that's intentional, guys. So we got this Can-Am. We are doing a Super ATV portal kit on it. I'm trying to remember off the top of my head, so forgive me, I haven't looked at all the details on this one. It's got King coilovers. It's got the offset upper and lower control arms front and rear, and they're being powder coated to match the King coilovers. It's got 6-inch portals and 24-inch JTX wheels on 37 or 38 motor slayers. I can't remember which size that is off the top of my head, but I'm sure we'll do a full video on that one when we finish it up, but it will be awesome. We got this one in from, it's got a Florida tag, but I think this guy had moved up north and is in the process of moving back to Florida. He had the lift installed somewhere else, and we're essentially having to take it completely back off and correct everything that was done wrong. But it's a pretty cool truck. It's got Lambo doors on it and a bunch of other cool features, and once we get it corrected, I'm sure he'll be very happy with it. We got this trimmer that is done. We finished this one up a couple weeks ago. We've got a solo video on this one. I just haven't had a chance to post yet, but he came back in today for retorque and went ahead and added a dual steering stabilizer. But like I said, I do have a full video on this one that I'll be posting as soon as I get a chance. I apologize on the late videos on some of these trucks. I know sometimes it looks like they're out of order. They are. We're about 20 videos behind that are complete. I just haven't had time to post. So I will get those up as soon as I can. On this one, this is a 24 or 25 AT4 HD. It's got the Cognito Performance Series kit on it, or getting it put on. As you can see, you're gonna have your resi shocks. This is how they mount. We get a lot of people asking how the resi shock's supposed to mount. It can be mounted, I'm gonna ease this down very gently. It can be mounted up here by changing the bracket and rerouting the hose up to the top. And it's purely cosmetic, looks really nice. As you'll see, we actually take the time to remove the factory coating and paint all this, as well as this. And it makes, this just looks so much nicer, because if you touch the wax coating on the frame anywhere, and you can't help but touch it, you see there's things touching everywhere when you're tightening these bolts up here, you're gonna to put fingerprints and all this. And if you look close at a lot of other shops work, you'll see that bare spots and rust spots after they've been exposed to the weather. We try to remove all that and just paint it so that it stays nice and black and just looks a lot cleaner. Hopefully have this one wrapped up maybe tomorrow. We've still got a good bit of stuff to do on it. And I think that's gonna be about it. It's all the stock components that have been removed thus far. Give you another look at this trimmer. This is a 24, 25 trimmer. Awesome looking truck, love that color. That color on black is just, it just looks so good. And this is for reference, the BDS radius arm kit. We did have to change a couple things for this to work on the trimmer and set level. I'll explain all that in the solo video that we do on this truck, or have done on the truck once I post it. All right guys, that's it for now. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, stay tuned for more.